Hey there, ice enthusiasts! Are you tired of running out of ice during summer gatherings? Frustrated with those flimsy ice trays that take forever to freeze? Or maybe your refrigerator's ice maker just isn't cutting it anymore? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're diving into the world of countertop ice makers to find the absolute best option for your home, office, or wherever you need a steady supply of ice. I've spent the last 3 months testing the top 7 countertop ice makers on the market, putting them through rigorous daily use to determine which ones truly deliver on their promises. So let's get started with our countdown of the 7 best countertop ice makers available right now. Number 7, Frigidaire Countertop Ice Maker. Starting our list at number 7 is the Frigidaire Countertop Ice Maker. This stainless steel unit promises to produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which sounds impressive on paper. When I first unboxed it, I was pleased with its sleek design that would complement most kitchen aesthetics. The setup process was straightforward. Just fill the reservoir, plug it in, and press the power button to get started. In my testing, the Frigidaire did deliver its first batch of bullet-shaped ice in about 8 minutes, which is slightly longer than some competitors but still reasonably fast. The ice quality was actually quite good. Thick, solid pieces that didn't melt too quickly in drinks. I particularly appreciated that the ice pieces were more substantial than what I got from some other models, meaning fewer pieces were needed to properly chill a beverage. However, I did encounter some frustrations during extended use. The ice storage isn't refrigerated, which is common for countertop models, but the Frigidaire seemed to allow ice to melt faster than other units I tested. This meant I often found myself with a partially filled basket of wet ice if I didn't use it quickly enough. Additionally, while the machine claims to make 26 pounds of ice daily, achieving this would require you to empty the basket consistently throughout the day. 6. EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker Machine with Handle. Coming in at number 6 on our list is the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker Machine with Handle. This portable unit caught my attention with its convenient carrying handle and promise of producing 9 ice cubes every 6 minutes, potentially yielding up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. The black finish looked sleek on my countertop, and I appreciated the compact design that didn't take up excessive space. Setting up the EUHOMY was simple enough. I filled the 1.3-pound capacity water reservoir, selected my preferred ice size, it offers 2 options, and waited for the magic to happen. True to its claim, the first batch of bullet-shaped ice appeared in about 6 minutes, which is impressively quick. The ice quality was decent, though I noticed the pieces were slightly smaller than what the Frigidaire produced, meaning I needed more ice to achieve the same cooling effect in drinks. The addition of a handle is a nice touch for portability, making it suitable for moving between rooms or taking to outdoor gatherings. I also found the self-cleaning function helpful. Activated by holding the power button for 5 seconds, it ran through a cleaning cycle that saved me the hassle of manual scrubbing. This feature alone gives it an edge over the Frigidaire model for convenience. Number 5, Silonn Ice Maker Countertop. Moving up to number 5, we have the Silonn Ice Maker Countertop. This compact unit immediately impressed me with its sleek design and user-friendly interface. Available in multiple colors to match different kitchen aesthetics, the model I tested came in a modern white finish that looked clean and professional on my countertop. The Silonn promises to produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, with a daily capacity of up to 26 pounds. In my testing, it consistently delivered on this claim, producing its first batch of ice right on schedule. What stood out to me was the quality of the ice. Solid, well-formed bullets that were perfect for everything from water and soft drinks to cocktails. The machine offers 2 size options for the ice, allowing you to customize based on your specific needs. The operation is wonderfully straightforward. A simple control panel with clearly marked buttons for power and ice size selection makes it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. I particularly appreciated the indicator lights that alert you when the water reservoir needs refilling or when the ice basket is full. This prevented any overflow issues and made maintenance much more manageable compared to some other models I tested. During my extended testing period, the Silonn maintained consistent performance without any noticeable decline in ice production or quality. Number 4. GE Profile Opal 2.0 Countertop Nugget Ice Maker. At number 4, we have the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Countertop Nugget Ice Maker, which represents a significant step up in both price and features. This premium ice maker immediately distinguishes itself from the competition by producing nugget ice, that soft, chewable ice that many people associate with high-end restaurants and specialty beverage shops. The Opal 2.0's stainless steel design exudes quality and would look at home in even the most upscale kitchens. Setting it up was straightforward despite its advanced features, and I was particularly impressed by the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity that allows you to schedule ice production through a smartphone app. This proved incredibly useful for ensuring I had fresh ice ready for evening gatherings without leaving the machine running all day. The nugget ice production is where this machine truly shines. Unlike the bullet-shaped ice from previous models, the Opal 2.0 creates soft, chewable nuggets that absorb the flavor of your beverage while cooling it efficiently. In my testing, it produced the first batch in about 20 minutes, longer than the bullet ice makers, but the quality difference was substantial. Once running, it can produce up to 38 pounds of ice per day, significantly more than the lower-ranked models. The side tank attachment is another thoughtful feature, expanding the water capacity and reducing the frequency of refills. GoveeLife Smart Ice Maker Countertop. Taking the bronze medal position at number 3 is the GoveeLife Smart Ice Maker Countertop. This modern, tech-forward ice maker combines excellent ice production with smart home integration, creating a truly convenient experience. The sleek design, with its touch-sensitive control panel, immediately caught my attention when I unboxed it. Setting up the GoveeLife was a breeze. After filling the water reservoir, I downloaded the GoveeHOME app and connected the ice maker to my home Wi-Fi network in minutes. This smart functionality allows you to control the ice maker remotely, set schedules for ice production, and receive notifications when the water needs refilling or the ice basket is full. During my testing, I found this particularly useful for ensuring I had fresh ice ready for dinner parties without having to remember to turn on the machine beforehand. The ice production impressed me with both its speed and quality. The GoveeLife produces bullet-shaped ice in approximately 6 to 7 minutes, with the capacity to make up to 26 pounds per day. The ice quality was consistently excellent, solid, clear pieces that cooled drinks efficiently without diluting them too quickly. The machine offers 2 ice size options, allowing you to customize based on your specific needs. Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker Machine. Coming in at an impressive second place is the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker Machine. This high-performing unit combines speed, efficiency, and reliability in a compact, attractive package. Available in several color options, the white model I tested had a clean, modern aesthetic that looked great in my kitchen. From the moment I started using the Sweetcrispy, I was impressed by its performance. It delivers on its promise to produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, with a daily capacity of up to 26 pounds. What stood out during my testing was the consistency. Batch after batch, the ice quality remained excellent, with well-formed, solid pieces that were perfect for all types of beverages. The 2 size options for ice cubes provided welcome versatility for different uses. The user experience with the Sweetcrispy is exceptionally smooth. The control panel is intuitive, with clearly marked buttons and indicator lights that alert you when attention is needed. I particularly appreciated how the transparent top window allowed me to monitor ice production without opening the lid, maintaining the internal temperature for optimal efficiency. The included ice scoop was well designed and durable, unlike the flimsy scoops provided with some competitors. During my extended testing period, the Sweetcrispy maintained consistent performance without any decline in ice production or quality. Number 1. Cowsar Ice Maker Countertop Portable Ice Machine. Taking the crown as our number 1 pick is the Cowsar Ice Maker Countertop. After extensive testing of all 7 models, this exceptional ice maker consistently outperformed the competition in nearly every category, earning its place at the top of our list. The sleek black design with stainless steel accents gives it a premium appearance that would complement any kitchen decor. The Cowsar impressed me immediately with its rapid ice production. It consistently produced 9 perfectly formed bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, living up to its advertised speed. Over a 24-hour period, it can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice, which proved more than sufficient for daily use and entertaining guests. What truly set it apart from competitors was the quality and consistency of the ice. Each batch was uniformly shaped, crystal clear, and melted more slowly than ice from other machines I tested. The thoughtful design features of the Cowsar elevated the user experience significantly. The control panel is intuitive and responsive, with clearly marked buttons for power and ice size selection. The machine offers 2 ice size options to suit different needs. I found the smaller size perfect for water and soft drinks, while the larger size worked beautifully for cocktails and cooling beverages quickly. Final thought. So there you have it, our comprehensive review of the 7 best countertop ice makers on the market today. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option for occasional use or a premium machine for daily ice production, there's a perfect model for your needs on this list. Remember to consider factors like ice production capacity, size options, noise level, and additional features when making your choice. Thanks for watching, and stay cool with your new countertop ice maker.